To get accustomed to your equipment, gotta take up your weights, take up your tanks, and get ready for the dives. Apart from scuba diving, there's so much happening here. Lots of children, even though this is the end of the first week of September. Typically, as I have discovered, schools in Europe do not necessarily begin until late September, early October. But it seems as though there are a lot of Latin American clients here on resorts. So maybe they're just sending children out a little later, because there's a thought that not much happens the first week of school. Or maybe these are just preschoolers, some of them. I don't know. Whatever it is, there's fun to be had, and it's happening right here in Punta Cana.